Hi! In this video, we will look at the following main character. When one door closes, another one opens. But it is important to always be ready with the right set of skills. For example, learning how to pick locks will open a lot of doors for you. This is the ancient version of the main character we are looking at today. It depicts a single door. This is how the character looks today. Can you see the similarities with the ancient character? Small huts and storage rooms had a single door, as opposed to larger places that had double doors. This character means door. It is used in this word, 窗户, which means window. Now that you know the main character, let's see it with some other characters. Can you see the main character? The character on the left is a variation of the character for door, and the character on the right depicts an axe. A storage room with a single door is a place where farming tools like an axe are kept. This character means place. It is used in this word, 所有, which means own or possess. Let's look at another character. Now let's add a different character. The added character means square. A square area with a single door is a room or a house. This character means room or house. It is used in these words, 房间, which means room, and 厨房, which means kitchen. Here's another character. Now the character below the door means book. A door was usually made by tying branches together to make a flat slab of wood, which was similar to how a book was made back then. This character means flat. Let's see some more characters. From here, let's add another character. The added character means go. Doors and fences used to be made in a similar way. Fences are like doors that go all around the house. This character means all around. It is also used to count the number of actions, like in this phrase. Can you find the character? This phrase means, I read this book 5 times. Here's the last character. Do you remember what this character means? From here, let's add a character that means bamboo. As mentioned before, a book used to be written on slabs of bamboo wood that were tied together. This character means book. It is also used to count the number of written works, like a piece, chapter, or volume. Like in this phrase, can you find the character? This phrase means a piece of writing. These are the characters we looked at today. How many could you recognize? Hit like if you learned some new Chinese characters, and subscribe to stay in the loop. That's it for this video. Have a good day or good night, and I hope you enjoyed learning some Chinese characters. See you in the next one.